Hello everyone. This is my PA for let's see, what day was it? January 10th, so for New Zealand and New Zealand cats, New Zealand surf flag. I also how do I say this? Yeah, I was getting this pair from a conference from Henny, and yeah, I took a price, a very low price, a good price on it. Um, let's start from. I also, not just because I went to the conference to get the signal and everything, how Henny explained pretty well. I'm also making sure for myself to do I want to take the trade from there, get better. Also, yeah. So Henny say went for the buy from this area. So, and he drove very clear, kind of exactly like what he wanted to move from there. During that time, it's gonna be a seeing when he was explaining, it's gonna be on the U.S. area. So on the U.S. So when the U.S. started from here to so when this part, I'm gonna say for the story part from it, and yeah, so for story part, and usually it's supposed to be in an hour area. So the US start from here on the 5, and I went back up very strong. During that time, let's use the playback. The playback. I pretty sure what I did wrong from here. So during that time, the playback from here. Aha, kinda took it. I took it from this area because uh well, it was funny. I was posting it from there, from this area, and focusing on it, and he really experienced pretty well. I feel like I learned something new from it too, and the way he said it, oh, go for a buy, and for me, I was a little confused from this area. Why? So why is going for a buy? Is the move is going down, and well, for that case was, I did a little more research from there, but I took so from this area. So here's the last buyer, no, last seller, excuse my language, last seller kill from this area. So here we go. So then, so last seller, break here, break down, and from here, so it then go down. Okay, then I go down, so I go to the weekly from here to here. Okay, so it's that's pretty strong. So there's no initial to go here, but every act of this area, the volume. Okay. At this point, I just saw the pair. Don't know which one still a seller owner, the buyer, which is want to buy, who is the owner of this trade. So seeing this of the buy and this reacted very strong, I really kind of know why he's going for the buy, because of this area. It came back. It came back and for release, and it came back for a release from here. Um, the owner of it. So it's the weekly is the owner. So the weekly is the owner, and the position is over here. And yeah. Anyways, from there, I didn't really go deeper and dig to it. So um, it's better off to dig deeper than having to. But I love the way going conference really want to understand why we going for buy, and for that I should ask Henny for that in the community. Usually I'm the type of person doesn't like to type and ask. Most likely like to go on the voice or talk in person. basically. So that's just something that I need to improve to keep continue asking. Um, yeah, so basically it went down. I went to 15 minutes, try to get the better price as it is. Seeing we're going for the buy, uh, so what I see going for the buy in here, it broke out. It broke a little bit. So then I went to the 4 hours. So the 4 hours, see if they want it or not. So if they want it, um, that was a part that I was in it. And I go position time frame. I went for position time frame. I really came in. The buyer came strong. Um, for this 1 hour, I I was saying that part. Oh, I'm gonna just go and wait that 8 o'clock for that, and then take a trade from there. Um, let me see. Let me see. Aha. Then I took a trade from there. But once it play out, uh, it was not doing well, man. So that's the story for now, and go for my PA.